Today we are going to be injecting some filler in our patient's tear troughs. And that's the hollow that we get under our eyes. And sometimes we need to get the bags gone first, which is what we use Agnes for. And sometimes people just have a hollowing or dark circles, which filler is great for. The darkness, if you do have dark circles, comes because our skin is really thin under our eyes and you're just seeing the vascularity underneath. So filler helps because it helps push your vasculature down farther, push the skin up a little farther, and there's more, thickness between the two, and therefore it helps with dark circles. So I did a little bit of lidocaine right here. That's why there's a little white area, and I'm going to make a little pilot channel right there, so I can go in with my cannula, because this is the way I like to do tear trough filler. I feel like it's a safer way to do it. It's a blunt tip. So that's why I needed to make a little channel to get there. And I'm gonna have you open your eyes and look up for me. Okay, good. Okay, and so now, I know it's so weird feeling, and I can't actually poke your eyes, so I know it feels like I might be able to, but here we go. And you can see a little higher. You doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right. There we go. Beautiful. And there are different fillers for different areas. So this we're using Ultra because it's a nice soft filler, because you wouldn't want to put cheek filler in the eye area because that would be too heavy. So we're going to come into my little channel again. Okay, now I'm going to go a little lateral. I know it's weird. And a little bit up higher. You got it. I always like doing this lateral area here because it makes such a difference. But even when doing tear troughs, I like to start with the cheeks. And I don't do more than one syringe per session. So a lot of times I'll make people come back in a week or two to take a look and make sure we have put enough filler in. But I don't like to do more than one syringe per treatment day. Sometimes you can get some swelling under here, and you'll swell more if we put more filler in at the same time. So we'll go right here a little bit more. You got it. You're doing so good. So good. Awesome. So you can see how nice that looks just after that. I just put a half syringe. So we're going to go to the other side. Can you feel here?
Mm-mm.
We're going to make our little channel. Perfect. Okay, we're going to go in through here. We're going to sneak up in that inner medial canthus here, and here comes some filler. And you got it. You're doing awesome. There you go. So good. You're doing so good. Well, maybe get right up in that little, right there. Makes such a difference. And yeah, just like so. You doing okay?
Yep.
Okay, cool.
Doing okay.
That other side is deeper than this side.
Oh.
I think because you sleep on that side. All right. And tear trough filler can last for a year, sometimes even a little bit more, because we don't move our tear troughs very much. Although we smile, our tear troughs don't move. There, nice.
Okay.
That looks great. Easy peasy.
Good.
If you are interested in learning more about tear trough filler and you see just how easy that is, you can find us online at RejuvenationMDMedSpa.com.